This is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter SIM cards and mobile networks category, and the following page is going to allow you to select the SIM card you would like to use for making phone calls and mobile data respectively. If you would like to change SIM card preferences for SMS messages, you will need to do that directly in the text message dialog over here. So, or do you? Yep. So anyway, once you are composing the text message, or before you do that actually, you will need to tap at the SIM card icon over here and then select the SIM card you would like for this text message to be sent from. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.